Hi, my friends!
Tom Idiomas. A cleaning day. It's Saturday morning, and Lisa wakes up early to clean her house. She puts on her rubber gloves and starts in the kitchen. First, she washes the dishes with dish soap and a sponge. Then, she wipes the counters using a multipurpose cleaner to remove grease and dirt. Next, Lisa moves to the bathroom. She scrubs the toilet with a toilet bowl cleaner and a scrub brush. She also disinfects the sink with bleach and cleans the mirror with glass cleaner. The bathroom smells fresh and looks shiny. After that, Lisa sweeps the floor with a broom and collects the dust in a dustpan. She mops the floor using floor cleaner and a mop, making sure everything is spotless. In the living room, she dusts the furniture and polishes it with furniture polish. She also uses carpet cleaner to remove stains from the rug. Finally, she sprays disinfectant on the door handles and tables to kill germs. After hours of work, Lisa sits on the couch and smiles. Her house is clean, fresh, and ready for a relaxing weekend. A cleaning day.